There's not a lot of construction on campus, in large part because of the state's budget crisis. But one project underway near North Campus embodies the goals of the university's mission of sustainability. When this building is complete, it will house the offices for the extended campuses at Northern Arizona University, also known as distance learning. The architects are a Tucson-based firm called Burns, Wald, Hopkins & Schambach, or BWS. They have a 17-year history of working to reduce carbon footprints.
Currently, just with information about how the use of energy affects and the byproducts of building operation affects the climate, buildings are responsible for about 60% of the carbon dioxide produced in the country. And so it's our responsibility to try to mitigate that as much as possible and minimize the negative effects of the construction industry on the rest of the community.
The firm uses recycled materials and supplies from the region, which reduces transportation requirements. Along with this project, BWS is also responsible for NAU's Applied Research and Development, one of the greenest buildings in the world. And while the firm has years of sustainable architectural experience, building at 7,000 feet is quite different than building in the southern part of the state.
It has some of the same issues with water in terms of conservation of water, but it has a very specific climate in terms of the temperature swings during the winter, the severe weather, snow and ice buildup, and so the loads on the building are quite different. For us, it's just responding to those specific differences, and the place that the building is located is an important part of the architecture.
Schambach says they are employing something new to Arizona called chilled beams, which act like a radiator, reducing the need for forced air technology. The building will also use the sun's rays for heating through a solar wall. NAU's vice president for distance learning points to a model of the building and describes one of his favorite design features, something called a green screen,
which is a planting of Virginia creeper vines, so that in the summertime when those leaf out, it keeps the sun from warming the side of the building, and in the wintertime the leaves fall off and it warms the building through the natural sunlight.
When this structure is complete, it will receive a LEED rating. The Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design is a green building rating system. Facilities can earn a basic certification or a designation of silver, gold, or platinum. Northern Arizona University, with its mission of sustainability, has a goal of achieving at least silver ratings for new construction.